In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the App Store on iOS 6. We all know that encountering issues while trying to download or update apps can be quite frustrating, especially when you're using an older iOS version like iOS 6. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps you can take to resolve these problems. First things first, what you want to do is restart your device. This is often the quickest and easiest troubleshooting step to tackle many of these lingering issues. You'll need to hold down the power button until you see the option to slide to power off. Go ahead and slide it and give your device a moment to completely shut down. Once it's off, press the power button again to turn it back on. Restarting your device can help clear up minor software glitches and might even just fix your App Store issue. Once your device is back on, the next thing you'll want to do is check your date and time settings. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, and then select Date and Time. Make sure it's set to automatic. This ensures your device is updating the time regularly with Apple's servers, helping to prevent any syncing issues that could be causing problems with the App Store. It's a simple step, but very effective in resolving issues related to your device's connectivity and functionality. Speaking of connectivity, you should also ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Many downloads from the App Store require an internet connection, and a strong Wi-Fi signal can make all the difference. Check your Wi-Fi settings and make sure you're connected to a reliable network. This can be a crucial step, especially if you're having trouble accessing or downloading apps. Now let's move on to managing your Apple ID. Sometimes simply signing out and then back in again can refresh your connection with Apple's services. Head over to Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then you'll see the option to sign out. Don't worry, signing back in is just as easy. Once signed out, simply enter your Apple ID email and password to sign back in. This action resets your Apple ID's connection, sometimes resolving those pesky issues with the App Store. Lastly, if none of these steps have worked so far, it may be useful to reset your network settings. This step will clear any network configurations you have set, so make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords before proceeding. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, select Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your device to restart. This clears up network-related issues that could be impacting your ability to connect to the App Store. Remember, iOS 6 is quite outdated and some features may not work flawlessly due to advances in technology and software. But with these steps, you should be able to address most common issues and get back to enjoying your apps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.